Hello everyone, welcome to the DIY Den. Today I'm going to share these beautiful wall decor ideas that you can make for this Diwali. So cut out a template of the lotus and paint the petals with pink and red paint. Then I've taken a semicircle and I'm going to stick it on this, and I have also attached a lace like this. So now on this I'm going to keep a tea light, and this is done. Let's move ahead on our second DIY. Again I have taken the same lotus and I have taken this pink glitter sheet, and I am going to cut 5 like these. And now using golden paint I am going to highlight the petals of the lotus, and I have also taken this gota lace and I have taken these circles of glitter sheet only, and this is how it looks. And I am going to make a jarukha like this. I have cut it. I am going to paint it with the white paint first, let it dry, and then I am going to paint with yellow paint. Similarly I have created one green also. I am going to make some dots like this, and I have also attached one lotus in the center of it. So this is how it looks. Now for the last one, I have taken this plate. I have made this shade by mixing ultramarine blue with light green and little bit of white. I'm going to paint it and let it dry for some time. And now I'm going to make this pattern. And this is also done. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.